In this video, we'll show you how to change the front brake pads on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford F-150 safely. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Turn the brake disc inward. To make this operation easier, insert a flathead screwdriver into the opening of the brake caliper. Lift it off using the screwdriver as a lever by pulling it towards you. This will cause the pistons to retract slightly so that the caliper can be removed more easily for the next steps. Tip: attach a piece of electrical cable or a hook to the subframe. Remove the vacuum lines and the ABS sensor cable from the brake hose. With a 13mm wrench, unscrew the lower slide pin. Finish unscrewing by hand. Repeat this process with the upper slide pin. Using a flathead screwdriver, release the brake caliper from the caliper mount. You can now remove the brake caliper and hang it to the previously installed hook. Remove the brake pads. To do this, slide them away from the disc. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the anti-rattle clips.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Using a wire brush, clean the caliper mount to remove any excess rust that could prevent the pads from sliding. You can order the pads kit used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Get hold of the anti-rattle clips supplied in the kit. Place the new anti-rattle clips on the caliper mount. Grab the new pads and lightly coat the ends with copper grease to help them slide more easily. Insert the new pads into the caliper mount by sliding them in. Place the pad pressure springs. Grab the caliper. Place a used pad in the caliper, then using a clamp or a brake windback tool, press the pistons into the caliper. This step is essential before installing the caliper. As the pistons enter the caliper, brake fluid will flow back into the brake fluid reservoir. Depending on the original level of the reservoir, make sure that the liquid does not overflow. You'll need to check the sliding of the brake caliper slide pins and the condition of the caliper slide pin boots. If they look worn, you are advised to replace them with new ones. Put the brake caliper back in place and screw in the slide pins by hand at first. You can use a ratchet ring wrench. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Put the ABS sensor cable back in place. Reconnect the vacuum lines. Don't forget to remove the cable that you used to hold the caliper. Clean both sides of the disc with brake cleaner and a cloth to remove the grease from the new pads. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Don't forget to screw the brake fluid cap back on before starting the car. Attention! Before using your vehicle again, start your truck and pump the brake pedal a few times to push the brake pads together again. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 30 miles or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.